y'all, I wanted to share this with y'all because a lot of old cookbooks, in a lot of ways that people share recipes, a lot of people may be getting them confused when they're talking about how much butter to add to a recipe. And it's because the manufacturers have changed the way they package butter. For instance, I use Kerrygold butter, and this is the way it comes. This is literally 2 sticks of butter right here. What we used to call a stick of butter, this is 2 sticks of butter. But it's really 16 tablespoons of butter. The way Land O'Lakes package theirs, they've shortened the stick, the 8 tablespoons of butter, and they've cut it in half, and now you have 4 tablespoons of butter that equals a stick of butter. But as you're looking in old cookbooks or you're looking at old recipes online that call for a stick of butter, new cooks that don't know that are assuming that that little 4 tablespoons of butter is actually a stick of butter. People get that confused. And so I want to encourage you to forget the stick of butter thing, okay? To forget that and just go by tablespoons. If you need a stick of butter, it's 8 tablespoons. If you need 2 sticks of butter, it's 16 tablespoons. Start training yourself to think of butter in terms of tablespoons because they've changed the packaging. I don't know if Kerrygold changed the packaging. I know Land O'Lakes changed their packaging, but the packaging has changed, and for new cooks, it could confuse you. So start thinking in butter in terms of tablespoons and not sticks. Even when you're looking in old recipes and they'll say old cookbooks and it'll say 1 stick of butter, understand that 1 stick of butter is actually 8 tablespoons of butter. Start thinking in tablespoons when you're dealing with butter. That's the tip that I got for y'all today. Y'all go out and make it a great day. I got to make these lamb hand pies, and I will see y'all on the next video. Bye now.